And this is the genealogy of the sons of Naha, Sham, Ham, and Yapat. And sons were born to them after the flood. The sons of Yapat, Gomer, and Magog, and Madi, and Yun, and Tabal, and Mashek, and Tyrus. And the sons of Gomer, Ashkenaz, and Ripat, and Tugarama. And the sons of Yun, Elisha, and Tarshish, Katim, and Dadanim. From these, the coastland peoples of the nations were separated into their lands, everyone according to his language, according to their clans, into their nations. And the sons of Ham, Cush, and Matsarim, and Put, and Canaan, and the sons of Cush, Saba, and Huila, and Sabta, and Rama, and Sabataka, and the sons of Rama, Shaba, and Dedan. And Cush brought forth Namrad. He began to be a mighty one on the earth. He was a mighty hunter before Yahuwah. Therefore it is said, like Namrad, the mighty hunter before Yahuwah. And the beginning of his reign was Babal, and Arak, and Akkad, and Kalana, in the land of Shinar. From that land he went to Ashur, and built Ninuah, and Rahabut-Aur, and Kalaha, and Rasan, between Ninuah and Kala, the great city. And Matsarim brought forth Ludim, and Anamim, and Lahabim, and Napatahim, and Patarosim, and Kasalaham, from whom came the Palashatim, and Kapaturim. And Canaan brought forth Sidon, his firstborn, and Het, and the Yabuzi, and the Amori, and the Garagashi, and the Hui, and the Araki, and the Sini, and the Arudi, and the Samari, and the Hamati. And afterward, the clans of the Canaani were spread abroad. And the border of the Canaani was from Sidon, as you go toward Gerar, as far as Azah, as you go towards Saddam, and Amura, and Admah, and Sabim, as far as Lasha. These were the sons of Ham, according to their clans, according to their languages, in their lands, in their nations. And also to Sham, the father of all the children of Arba, the brother of Yapat, the elder, children were born. The sons of Sham, Ailam, and Ashur, and Arpakashad, and Lud, and Aram. And the sons of Aram, Auts, and Hul, and Gatar, and Mash. And Arpakashad brought forth Shala, and Shala brought forth Abar. And to Abar were born two sons. The name of one was Palag, for in his days the earth was divided, and his brother's name was Yoktan. And Yoktan brought forth Almudad, and Shalap, and Hatsarmut, and Yarha, and Haduram, and Auzal, and Dakala, and Aubal, and Abimelech, and Shaba, and Aupir, and Huila, and Ubab. All these were sons of Yoktan, and their dwelling place was from Misha, as you go towards Sapar, a mountain of the east. These were the sons of Sham, according to their clans, according to their languages, in their lands, according to their nations. These were the clans of the sons of Naha, according to their generations, in their nations. And from these the nations were divided on the earth after the flood.